Christmas is all about.
Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I'm on my way to the mall here down at Myrtle Beach, the Coastal Grand Mall, so that I can get some Christmas gifts bought using my discount. I'm meeting my parents there. That way they can use my discount as well. But I had to turn my GPS off because my freaking phone is getting ready to die. So I hope I remember. I'm supposed to turn on Pine Island Road. Yeah, let's hope I don't get lost. I was trying to look for my charger, but everybody stole my charger. Like, someone was using it in the house. Like, they used my regular charger, my fast charger. And then when I got in my car, it was like, okay, I'm not gonna charge it now while I'm in the house. I'll just charge it when I get in the car, because I have a car charger. I get in the car, somebody took my car charger out of the car. So I call and I'm like, who stole my car charger? And then Kiana was like, it was me. You need me to bring it out? And I'm like, girl, I already left. So yeah, I think, is this the mall? No. Is it beside this place? I don't know where I'm going. I kind of want to say this is Pine Island because I feel like everybody turning right here. But I want to be sure. I want to be sure. God dang. I'm freaking lost. I'm freaking lost. And I need to use my phone to be able to. Is this the right place? It can't even find me on the map. That's the thing. I think this is it. Yeah, okay, this is it. So yeah, I need my phone so I can be able to find my parents when I get inside. But yeah, that's stressing me out. And they said they parked it on the side with Dillard's. Red Lobster sounds so good right now. Just the biscuits. I don't really care about the food. Just the biscuits though. It sounds really good. But yeah. Okay, so I think I've made it. I think I've made it. And this is where I'm turning in the wrong place. Freak. Okay, yeah, so the sign says Coastal Grand. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it says Coastal Grand. Y'all probably can't see it. I don't know. And I don't have my camera on my tripod right now. I wasn't able to twist it on fast enough, and I wanted to vlog a little bit. So yeah, let's see which way is Dillard's. Oh, freak! Come on, come on, come on! You should have let me over. What are you doing? This way, I mean, Dillard's is not this way. How freaking annoying. It's okay, because I'm gonna go this way. I'm just gonna get back out here and go the right way. But yeah, okay, so once I get in the mall and I'm not lost, then I'll get back on here, okay? Alright. Look, guys, I have the best friends ever. Look! They surprised me with the cake. We're litty. You want to take a picture? No. Oh.
Let me take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't let me in.
Let me see. It's alright.
Let me see it.
Look, I already licked the cake, but yeah.
Turn around, guys.
21.
No, this is all the lights. Wait, we need to turn them.
Turn around, okay.
So that light does not.
Jordan, Colby, Kiana,
Ready?
Destiny. Why y'all want to make a boomerang? Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I forgot my camera at home, but we're all together. Everybody looks good. It's Nick and Jordan. And then there's a whole other booth over there with the guys. But yeah, so I forgot to take my camera to vlogs. But I look better than a bitch. But yeah, I'm gonna post pictures in this vlog that I'm gonna take and post. So yeah, I'll see you guys later when I'm drunk, and it's gonna be legally drunk. Okay.